The planet is scorching. It spins close to its star, close enough to melt metal on the bright side. But the winds up in the atmosphere, they race backward. They go against the fierce blast from the sun. Astronomers saw this by tracking light, tiny shifts in it, like hearing a siren change pitch. Heat surges up from the surface. Then storms grab that heat and drag it around the globe. They beat back the push from the star. It's like smoke climbing uphill because a stronger fan is above it. These reversed winds, they shape the clouds, they move the heat, they lock the planet into this strange, balanced state. It shows the universe has rules. And then it breaks them.